let me sleep on it. What that does is it gives your brain permission to just let it go for that moment. And now you can work on capitalizing on the science of the brain and how it actually works. You can't come up with solutions to your problems at the point in time that you're trying to drift off into sleep. So what I tell my patients to do is get a recorder, and whatever it is that's in your head at that point in time, just start talking into the recorder. Let it out. It doesn't even matter if it doesn't even make any sense to you. What that does, it allows you to capture all those thoughts, every little nugget. Writing it down, it would be hard to capture all those little pieces. So you talk into the recorder, and then you say to yourself, let me sleep on it. What that does is it gives your brain permission to just let it go for that moment. And now you can work on capitalizing on the science of the brain and how it actually works. Because when you do go to sleep, your brain can actually come up with solutions to the problems that you couldn't solve moments before. Then when you wake up in the morning, I want you to play back those recordings. What that does is it allows your brain to receive the information in almost a third-person sense, as if it was somebody else's problem. That way you come up with solutions because you see the problem in a new perspective. You see it from a new angle. In addition to that, the well-rested brain can think more crisper, clearer, and the solutions are more obvious to you.